Psychologists describe decision fatigue as the deterioration of one's ability to make good decisions over the course of a day. As the day progresses, our willpower and self-control gradually depletes, making it more difficult to resist temptations or to choose what's right over what's easy. Here are some guidelines to help you overcome decision fatigue. Number 1. Defer decision. One way to overcome decision fatigue is by simply putting off making decisions until later. This can work especially well if you have the luxury of time and the ability to revisit the decision later in the day when you're feeling more energized and focused. Sometimes, just giving yourself a break from the decision-making process can help you come back to it with a fresh perspective. Number 2. Automate decisions! Another tactic you can employ to combat decision fatigue is by automating as many decisions as possible. This means setting up systems and routines that take the decision out of certain tasks or activities. For example, deciding what to eat every day can be a tough decision. So, consider setting up a system where you cook large batches of healthy food at the beginning of the week so that you have nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. By removing the decision of what to eat from your daily routine, you free up mental energy for more important decisions. 3. Get rid of distractions. They can mess with your focus and lead to some pretty bad choices. This is because distractions compete for our attention and divert our mental energy away from the decision we're trying to make. They can also prevent us from thinking deeply and critically about the decision, which is necessary to make a good choice. To minimize distractions, you can try working in a quiet place, turning off notifications on your phone, or closing unnecessary tabs on your computer. By creating a focused environment, you can make it easier to concentrate on the decision at hand and make a better choice. Next, set deadlines. By setting deadlines, you create a sense of urgency, which can help you make decisions more quickly and efficiently. This can be especially helpful when you're feeling fatigued, as it can help you avoid the temptation to keep deliberating and agonizing over the decision. However, it's important to set realistic deadlines that allow for sufficient time to gather information and weigh the options, but also create a sense of urgency. Lastly, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can be especially helpful when you're experiencing decision fatigue, as it can help you recognize when your mind is wandering or when you're feeling tempted to make a poor choice. By bringing your attention back to the present moment, you can refocus on the decision at hand and make a more thoughtful and intentional choice. Remember, decision fatigue is a common experience that can affect anyone. But by implementing these guidelines, you can effectively manage it and make better decisions even when you're exhausted. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical advice on your health and well-being.